Hey YouTube and awesome Aztek owners, I'm hoping y'all can help me out with this. Just got my Aztek about a week ago and broke down again. This is the second time it's done this, and what's going on is, I'll do a little demonstration here of what's happening. You turn the key on like you're ready to start it. Everything pops up normal, shows you the mileage and driver one, and then pops up on the heads-up display and says check gauges. I don't think you can see the heads-up display there. Check gauges, the brake light, security light, and the error light. Over here where the mileage is supposed to be, the error light comes on. And when you try to start, it doesn't do anything. I'm trying to start it here, and it does nothing at all. I'm turn it off, turn it back on, try to start, and it acts like almost acts like there's a dead battery, but everything's working fine. The headlights work, the radio works, everything's working like it's supposed to. It says low fuel, then service traction system. So now I got plenty of gas. It was up just at a quarter tank down, 3/4 of a tank full. Everything works.
If you change conversations that have nothing to do with SEC football to become more about SEC football,
please help me out. Gotta get this thing fixed.